Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to model this very simple and basic toon type sorry, toon type cat in Blender. So let's start. Hello friends, that's it. So this was the reference I was using, and this is our model. This was the reference, and this is our model. So I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D modeling videos like this. Also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.